Alright guys, today we're going to talk about central angles. We're going to make that our focus and intercepted arcs. So let's go ahead and begin here. Got an example. I want you to figure out, and I need to put another angle measure here. Let's go 2x minus 20 degrees. Alright. So we're basically going to find x and find the missing angle measures, their central angle. Now, if you remember going back, we got two lines that intersect. Okay, what does that mean? Well, they form vertical angles. We're going back to that, aren't we? Absolutely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve for x. But I got to set up an equation. Okay, I know these two central angles are the same. And even if I wanted to, I could find the measure of this intercepted arc, which would be the same thing as this intercepted arc. I could have drew that in different colors, but I didn't. So that there and that there should be the same. Because if you remember talking about yesterday, or from yesterday, central angles are the same size as the intercepted arcs. So let's go ahead and set up an equation here. We're going to solve for x. So I'll go 5x plus 10 equals 2x minus 20. All right, a little bit of algebra here. I'm going to solve for x. Let's take the x term to the left. Cancel out. We get 3x plus 10 equals negative 20. Now I can do the opposite. Be fair, cancel out. And literally this is not going to work out for me. Guys, here I go again. It's late. It's hard. I want to go to bed. I want to change that to plus 40, guys. So, yeah, I know. It happens. So I'm going to put that plus 40, plus 40. Got to make that plus 40. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll make it a short video. Alright, so we got plus 30 there. We're going to divide both sides by 3. There, that's how we do that. X equals 10. Now I found x. Now I can find the measure of my central angle. I just got to plug and chug. So I'll plug 10 in for here. So I got 5 times 10 plus 10. That'll give me 60 degrees. So I know this angle measure here is going to be 60 degrees. And if I plug it in up here, it should be the same thing. I got 2 times 10 plus 40. Okay, yeah, that gives me 60 degrees. That's my inscribed, well, not my inscribed, my central angle and my intercepting arc. Now, if we wanted to, if we needed to, we could figure out the arc lengths and the missing angle measures here and here, right? Well, Mr. Seidel, how do we do that? Well, how many angles do we have? We got 60 down here, and we got 60 up here. I could take 360. Why 360 degrees? Well, that's probably how many degrees are in a circle, right? And I'm going to take this 60 and this 60, add them together, it gives me 120. I can subtract, get 240 degrees. Now, that's between this angle here and this angle here, and I know they're the same size, so I can what? Divide them by 2. That makes this angle 120, this angle 120 degrees, and their intercepted arcs are also the same. Okay? It's just applying new with the old. Okay? vertical angles. We had to go back to that. Guys, really, it's just going to be a bunch of practice tomorrow. And you'll be asked to find different parts of a circle. Okay? You may be asked to find the central angle. Okay? You may have to set up an equation. You may have to find the intercepted arc. Just know that these two things are the same size. All right? And one last thing before I let you go here. I want you to define these two terms for me. I'm going to write this in, I don't know what color this is. I want you to define, this will be a video quiz for you tomorrow. I want you to find these two terms. One, what is a major arc? And two, define a minor arc. Okay? So make sure you do that before you come to class tomorrow, and we'll get some practice in. We'll go from there. Later.